How to fix Gmail notification not working on Android. To fix Gmail notification not working on Android, first you want to make sure to follow these steps. First of all, you could check or open Gmail app and go to settings. So click on the gear icon and here you want to go to settings. As you go to settings, what you need to do is select your email account and go to notifications or inbox notification. Make sure that these sort of options are enabled. As you've done it, so you also want to go to notification, manage notification, all that, and make sure to select all. And here you could go with all of these and explore it so as well. If the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to check device notification. For that, you want to exit out of this page and then go to settings and open it up. After which you want to go to notifications and sound, or you just want to go to notification and make sure to go to app notification. Make sure that all of these are enabled. Similarly, you could also go with other options, or you could also explore all of these options right on this section and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other thing you could also do is address battery optimizer. On some Android devices, battery optimizer may restrict the app.